Hi guys, and very welcome for the whole new episodes of how to make a car. To make a car, it's not an easy process, so that's why I decided to break this video for small parts. For example, in the first video, well actually today we're gonna make everything what we need in the Fusion environment in order to make a car, and let's say in the next episode we're going to make wheels and then so on and so on and so on. So as a reference I'm gonna use Ford Mustang 1967 because I really like this car and I'm sure a lot of you also like this car, and maybe some of you even own this car. So less talking and let's get started. Let me move myself here. Okay, so basically when you open Fusion environment, that's all what you see. Yeah, by the way, this tutorial will be for absolute beginners, but for those who's following my channel would be also quite interesting to watch. So we will have to download this kind of sketch. Basically, you can download this sketch on the Google. All what you need to do is just technical drawings of Mustang or whatever car you need actually. You can download technical drawings and they're mostly looking like that. So you need one from the front, side, top and preferably back view. Then we will also need to research what's the height of the car, what's the wheelbase, front track and then rear track, everything. So this car has absolutely the same front and rear track. Basically we really need wheelbase, that's the most important, so that we can calibrate our canvas. Okay, so let's start. Let's insert canvas. Okay, from my computer. I have it on my desktop. Open. And then Fusion asking us on which plane we want to insert our Ford. So I'm gonna do the side view first, so I'm going to use this plane. I just click on it. That's it, that's our picture, yeah? So we make it bigger. It will be a lot bigger, so right now we're gonna leave it like that because we're going to calibrate it anyway. I hit OK. So then in the document settings we have units, millimeters. For us it's, I would say, a little bit too small, so we're gonna change these units. Let's do it with inches. Yeah, so we change it to inch and I hit OK. Okay, so right now we have our canvas, but it's not calibrated. This car is too small, so all what we need to do is look for canvas over here, and then here on this Ford Mustang Shelby GT, yeah, we right click, and here is the option to calibrate. So we press calibrate, and then it's asking us to pick the first point on the canvas. So let's use the wheels for our calibrations, because we know the wheelbase, yeah? Right here will be the first point. It's okay if it's plus minus, you know, there 1 millimeter here, 1 millimeter there. Anyway, it's not that important at the moment. Okay, and somewhere in the center of this circle. Right now, Fusion asking us what exactly is the dimension value. So we go back to our Google and we see that the wheelbase it's 108 inches, which is pretty much big. So let's put it 108 and I hit enter. Wow, so I guess it's become very large. Yes. So right now, as you can see, that's our wheelbase. Yep. Let's see the origin. And preferably for everything right here is just to put it in the center of the origin. Everything have to be like according to this dot, because we're gonna do a lot of mirroring and a lot of stuff will be happening with these origins. Okay, so now right click, edit canvas, and we're going to move our canvas, let's say somewhere right here. Okay. Okay. So that's gonna be our first canvas. This will be our right view. So we still need top view and the front view, and the back view we can do later, but right now let's focus on the top view. So we're going to insert canvas, and we're gonna insert absolutely the same canvas. Well, you can crop it in some other software, but for me, I don't bother to do that because I get used to working like that, yeah. And then we're gonna use this plane, just like that, hop. So, need to make it bigger, of course. And then since we're using the top view, we're gonna rotate it 90 degrees. Let's switch to the top view right here, okay. And now basically all what we have to do is just to adjust this car together with another canvas. So I hit OK. Now we will have to calibrate this canvas again. Let's call all the different views. So this will be side. And this will be top. Okay, so let's calibrate our top view. Calibrate. For now, I'm just worrying about all the calibrations, yeah? So from here. And until here. And that was 108 inches. 108. Enter. That's it. Now the side view is calibrated. Sorry, the top view. Now we have to insert our front view. So for that, of course, we're gonna select Insert, Canvas from my computer. The same canvas, open, and we're gonna choose this plane this time. I just click on it. I make it slightly bigger. Something like that. Roughly I put it right here because I will need the front view. I hit OK. Now we switch to the front view and we have to calibrate this front view. Let's name it front. Okay, so now we right click on front, calibrate, choose the center, then we go to another wheel and we choose this center, just like that. 108, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, I'm not mistaken. Enter. So that's it, basically. We have our canvas. Okay, so let's switch to the top view one more time. And now we will have to create sketch on this plane. We're gonna make rectangular sketch with a center rectangle. So it's going to be 58.1 times 108. So 108, 58.1. Okay, so basically, as you understand, that's our wheelbase. Our wheels will be right here. I hit enter. Finish sketch. Okay, now let's adjust our sketch according to, adjust our canvas according to this sketch. So we have a top view right now. So let's right click, edit canvas, yeah. So now we're gonna put the wheels just exactly where are those corners, yeah, like that. And then we're gonna use this arrow to move our car exactly in the center. To do that, I think these lines will be helpful, so they look like they are exactly in the center. And then we hit OK. So now we arranged our top view. Let's do the side view. Side view. edit canvas. We're gonna place it exactly in the sketch like that. And then with this arrow, we're just gonna drag it down a little bit more, somewhere right here. So let's say that this line will be perfectly with the hood. That will be our reference for the front view. Then I hit OK. I switch to the front view, front, edit canvas, and then we're gonna put the front view right here somewhere. Then I need to make sure that these two circles are exactly in the middle of the origin. Something like that, I guess. Need to find some more references. Okay, here is some kind of dot, here is like a separation. I would move it 1 point, let's say 1, 2, no, 1, and then I add 5. I'm talking about here, you see, I have like 1.15 here in this area, yeah? So let's see. I hit OK. Now, as you can see, our lines exactly aligned. Let's switch to the side view. And voila, that's what we need. So then we're gonna construct the roof, the hood, everything from here. Then we're gonna connect here, here, here. So basically later on we're just going to switch between all this canvas, yeah? So let's say we need the top view, we just switch it on and we work with the top view, yeah? So that's how it's going to work. Basically, I think for today's lesson we're done. Please subscribe in order to don't miss another lessons in the future. And in the next lesson, I guess we're going to make wheels, because me personally, I always start with the wheels. That's much easier. It's like makes the whole car looks much better while you're editing it and so on. Let's just have fun and make it. Okay, guys, then I will see you next time, and hopefully it's going to be pretty soon. Take care.